When this goalkeeper didn't see the ball continue its path toward his goal, no one in the stadium understood what was happening. The penalty is taken. The Argentine goalkeeper dives and believes he has perfectly stopped the ball. Convinced the play is over, he calmly gets back up. He even starts celebrating, completely confident, before the ball has fully dropped to the ground. But what he doesn't realize yet is that the ball is not dead. Without anyone noticing, it takes a totally unpredictable path. Slowly at first, then faster and faster, it keeps rolling toward the goal. In the stands, the crowd holds its breath. On the pitch, the players freeze, unable to believe what they are seeing. The goalkeeper doesn't even look at the ball anymore. He is certain he has saved his team. But meanwhile, the ball keeps getting dangerously closer to the goal line. The entire stadium is convinced the ball will end up in the back of the net. And then, at the very last moment, against all expectations, the ball suddenly stops, just a few centimeters from the line. A completely unreal scene that no one in the stadium will ever forget.